One of the biggest investor behaviors we see during volatile markets is the illusion that constant action creates better outcomes. The action bias. When markets become uncertain, investors feel the need to do something, add something, exit something, change direction, because inactivity starts feeling uncomfortable. Activity starts feeling productive, even when it may not be necessary. But most investors see only the outcome of a portfolio, the returns, the NAV, the performance number. What they don't always see is what's happening quietly inside the portfolio over time, or the decisions that are deliberately not being made. Because portfolios are not built in one moment. They evolve through decisions, through discipline, through what you choose to hold on to, and equally what you choose to avoid. At Milestones to Wealth, we believe investing is not just about finding good companies. It is about building portfolios that can survive different market environments without forcing investors to constantly react. And that means every business or fund inside a portfolio has a role. Some provide resilience during uncertainty, some participate in long-term structural shifts, some benefit from cycles. They are there for a reason, not simply because they are performing well today. What connects them is not the sector, not the market cap, not the latest narrative dominating headlines. It is the underlying thought process. Because a portfolio is not simply a collection of stocks, it is a collection of probabilities, risks, valuations, and investor behaviors interacting together over time. A great business bought at the wrong valuation can still become a poor investment, and a portfolio constantly changed in response to the market noise can become emotionally exhausting to stay invested in. Inside the portfolio, there is constant evaluation happening. What has fundamentally changed? What is already priced in? Where is the optimism excessive? Where is fear creating opportunity? And sometimes the most important decision is not making a new move. It is having patience to stay invested in what already exists when the long-term thesis remains intact. Because wealth creation rarely comes from constant activity. It usually comes from endurance, from staying rational when markets move between fear and optimism, and from recognizing that sometimes the hardest investment decision is choosing not to react.